Hi friends, welcome to Smart Tech. This is your host Kiran. In this video, I'll talk about best deals on Flipkart Big Saving Day sale which have already started from 2nd May and run till 7th May. In this sale, we have 10% instant discount on HDFC card EMI transactions up to rupees 1000 and rupees 500 discount on non-EMI transaction. In this video, I will tell about the phones which are value for money on the present date. First phone is Samsung Galaxy F41. Its base variant is available for rupees 12,000 using HDFC card, and its higher variant is available for rupees 13,500 using HDFC card EMI transaction. Next phone is Realme Narzo 30A. Realme Narzo 30A base variant is priced at rupees 8,000, and by using HDFC EMI transactions we can purchase Narzo 30A at rupees 7,200. This is the best all-rounder phone around rupees 8,000. Next phone is, please don't purchase Oppo A53, it is a overpriced mobile. Next phone is Poco C3. The base variant is priced at rupees 7,250 and higher variant is priced at rupees 8,250. The base variant 3GB RAM 32GB ROM variant can be purchased at rupees 6,524 by using HDFC Bank EMI transactions. Next phone is MI 10T series. It is available for rupees 24,500 using HDFC card and exchange offer. Next, Pixel 4a is available at rupees 26,000 for by using HDFC Bank debit card EMI transactions. It is the best camera phone. Next phone is Realme 8. Realme 8 can be purchased at 13,000 rupees using HDFC Bank offer, because we have 1,000 rupees on prepaid transaction and 1,000 rupees extra off on HDFC cards. Next phone is Samsung Galaxy F62. This phone is the best Samsung phone under rupees 20,000. This phone base variant can be purchased at rupees 17,000 using HDFC Bank EMI transactions. The base variant comes with 6GB RAM and 128GB ROM storage. We all know that this phone has a Super AMOLED display. Next phone is Poco M3. This phone base variant can be purchased at rupees 9,500 using HDFC Bank offers. Please avoid Realme C series mobile. They are almost outdated phones from number one quality smartphone according to them. Next phone is Poco X3. Poco X3 base variant can be purchased at rupees 13,500 and Poco X3 Pro can be purchased at rupees 17,000. Next, Moto G40 Fusion can be purchased at rupees 13,000. This is the best Moto phone with 120 Hz refresh rate and good camera and stock Android. And Realme 8 5G. This is the only 5G phone under rupees 15,000 in India. This can be purchased using 14,000 using HDFC Bank debit cards. Ignore Realme C20 and Samsung F12. Next, ignore Redmi 9i. Redmi 9 Power can be purchased at rupees 9,000 and Redmi Note 9 can be purchased using rupees 9,500. These are all best all-rounder phones under 10,000, Redmi 9 Power and Redmi 9. Please ignore Moto G10 Power, iPhone I won't talk. Realme X50 Pro 5G. This phone was launched at rupees 40,000. In this deal it is available at just rupees 25,000. We will get 1,000 extra off using HDFC EMI transactions. This is the best phone under 25,000 which with one 5G band support. Moto G60 can be purchased at rupees 17,000 using HDFC card EMI transactions. Next phone is Vivo V21 5G. This phone is priced at rupees 30,000. If you exchange old phone, you could get extra 3,000 off, and by using HDFC transactions and HDFC bank card any transaction you will get 2,000. So this phone can be purchased at 25,000 at net price. This is the best camera phone, that too front camera 44 megapixel OIS phone. Infinix Hot 10 Play, please don't purchase that one. Next phone is Poco M2 Reloaded. It can be purchased at rupees 8,600 using HDFC cards. Next, Realme Narzo 30 Pro 5G. This is the best phone at 15,000 rupees with 5G compatibility and for all-rounder purpose like 64 megapixel camera, 65 watt DAT, 30 watt DAT charging, etc. with Dimensity 800U processor. This phone can be purchased at rupees 15,000 using HDFC EMI transactions. Poco M2 Pro. This is the best all-rounder phone under rupees 15,000 with 6GB RAM, 128GB ROM variant with 33 watt fast charging and Poco Clean UI. This phone is the best phone at rupees 13,000. Guys, you can see in this video clearly. Next, Realme X7 Pro K is priced at rupees 26,000 and Realme 8 Pro is priced at rupees 17,000 using HDFC EMI transaction. iPhone XR can be purchased at rupees 36,000. This is the best phone for iPhone lovers under that budget. Redmi 9 Prime can be purchased at rupees 8,549. Next, Realme Narzo 20 Pro can be purchased at rupees 12,000. Realme X7 5G can be purchased as rupees 18,000. Guys, these are the best deals according to me on Flipkart Big Saving Day sale using HDFC bank card EMI transactions. Guys, please like my video, subscribe to my channel and encourage me. Hope you like this video. See you in next videos. Bye.